Good day, everyone. Today, I will present a concept called the Integrated Business Management System, a unified platform that connects key business operations such as sales, production, supply chain, logistics, and finance. Before we begin, I would like to ask a simple question. What happens when different departments in a company are not connected in real time? In many businesses today, departments operate separately. Sales handles orders, production works independently, finance processes payments, and logistics manages deliveries on its own. Because of this separation, companies often experience delays in communication, inconsistent data, duplicated work, and a lack of real-time visibility. Have you ever experienced confusion or delays because information was not properly shared between departments? This is the core problem we are addressing. To solve this, we introduce one integrated system where all departments are connected in real time. Instead of separate tools, there's one platform, one source of truth, and automatic data sharing across the entire business. For example, when sales encodes an order, production is immediately updated, logistics prepares delivery planning, and finance records billing, all at the same time. Imagine how much faster and more accurate decisions would be in this kind of system. The system flow starts from sales, moves to production, then supply chain, followed by logistics, then finance, and finally the executive dashboard. This is not just a sequence of steps, but a continuous cycle where every department is connected and every action affects the next. Can you now see how each department depends on one another in this system? At this point, I would like to open this as a short sharing moment. What are your thoughts on this kind of integrated system? Do you think this approach could improve how businesses operate today, or do you see any challenges with it? Now, let's go deeper into how each part actually works in real business operations.